अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। आई होप आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे और वेदर एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, काइंडली टेक आउट योर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर कॉपीज़ एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन इन द लिंक कि आज हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। येस्टरडे वी हैव डन वर्ड सेंटेंसेस एंड आई थिंक सो डिक्टेशन सेंटेंसेस एंड वर्ड सेंटेंसेस, और आज हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। ठीक है, देयर आर 4 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। जल्दी से स्पीड लगाएं मेरे साथ, लेकिन स्पीड में ये नहीं कि गंदा काम हो, प्यारा प्यारा लिखना है आपने। मैं फिर पिक्चर भी शेयर कर दूंगी, ठीक है। सो राइट डाउन डेट एंड डे ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द पेज। टुडे इज़ ट्यूसडे एंड द डेट इज़ 1/9/20। सितंबर स्टार्ट हो गया है तो 8 अब नहीं लिखना, 9 लिखना है, ठीक है। यहाँ पर आफ्टर दिस गिव द हेडिंग ऑफ QUESTION, क्वेश्चन स्लैश लगाएं, आंसर्स ANSWERS। देर आर 4 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। QUESTION, क्वेश्चन, ANSWERS, आंसर्स। ओके, नंबर 1, what did WHAT what? One finger gap, did, DID, did. What did Ibrahim, IBRAHIM? What did Ibrahim? Go to the next line. And AND, and Yusuf, YUSUF, Yusuf. What did Ibrahim and Yusuf decide? DECIDE, question mark. What did Ibrahim and Yusuf decide? This is question number 1. What did Ibrahim and Yusuf decide? Hurry up, write down with me. What did Ibrahim and Yusuf decide? So write down the answer of this question. They, 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 one finger gap, decided, DECIDED, they decided. They decided to, TO2, तो साथ में कुछ, they decided to play, PLAY, play. They decided to play cricket, CRICKET, full stop. They decided to play cricket. Hurry up, write down with me. What did Ibrahim and Yusuf decide? They decided to play cricket. Question number 2 is, okay, now write down question number 2. What, WHAT, what? तो जाओ ना, ले लो ना साथ। What, one finger gap, did, DID, did. What did Yusuf, YUSUF, Yusuf. What did Yusuf ask, ASK, ask? What did Yusuf ask from, FROM, from? Ibrahim, Ibrahim. Question mark. What did Yusuf ask from Ibrahim? Write down question number from Ibrahim. Answer is he, he, one finger gap, asked, asked, asked Ibrahim, Ibrahim. He asked Ibrahim that, that who, who was, was his, his favorite, favorite. What did Yusuf ask from Ibrahim? He asked Ibrahim that who was his favorite cricketer. CRICKETER. अच्छा, मैं यहाँ पर लास्ट लाइन यूज़ कर रही हूँ, आप लोगों ने लास्ट लाइन नहीं यूज़ करनी, ठीक है? What did Yusuf ask from Ibrahim? He asked Ibrahim that who was his favorite cricketer. Question number 1 is, what did Ibrahim and Yusuf decided? They decided to play cricket. Question number 2 is, what did Yusuf ask from Ibrahim? He asked Ibrahim that who was his favorite cricketer. I hope कि आप सब ने कर लिया होगा. I am going to turn the page. Now write down question number 3 with me. What, WHAT, what did, did, what did Ibrahim, IBRAHIM, what did Ibrahim decide? DECIDE. Question mark. What did Ibrahim decide? Question number 3 is, what did Ibrahim decide? What did Ibrahim decide? So write down the answer of question number 3. He, one finger gap, decided, DECIDED. He decided to, write, WRITE. He decided to write the the biography, BIOGRAPHY. He decided to write the biography of Usman, U should be capital, USAMAN, Usman Khwaja, KHAWAJA. Okay, what did Ibrahim decide? He decided to write the biography of Usman Khwaja. इसके बाद लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, Hurry up. What did Ibrahim decide? He decided to write the biography of Usman Khwaja. चेक योर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन बेटा, यहाँ पर सब ओके है. Okay, the last question is, write down the last question. Who is WHO? Who is ISIS? Who is Usman? USMAN. Usman. Usman ka U should be capital. Usman Tariq TARIQ. Who is Usman Tariq Khwaja? KHAWAJA. Who is Usman Tariq Khwaja? क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएं सब. दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. इसके बाद आपका रिटर्न वर्क का काम खत्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है. हु इज उस्मान तारिक ख्वाजा? I will share the picture of this work. Okay? जिन्होंने नहीं किया वो ये काम जो है पिक्चर से देखकर भी कर सकते हैं. The answer of the last question is he was he one finger gap was WAS was. He was a Pakistan. P should be capital. PAKISTAN. He was a Pakistan born. BORN born. He was a Pakistan born Australian. AUSTRALIAN. He was a Pakistan born Australian. AUSTRALIAN. Australian cricketer. CRICKETER. फुल स्टॉप लगाए. सो यहाँ पर हमारा रिटन वर्क ख़त्म होता है. मैं रिपीट करती हूँ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. What did Ibrahim and Yusuf decide? They decided to play cricket. Number 2 is, what did Yusuf ask from Ibrahim? He asked Ibrahim that who was his favorite cricketer. Question number 3 is, what did Ibrahim decide? Ibrahim decided to write the biography of Usman Khwaja. Who is Usman Tariq Khwaja? He was a Pakistan-born Australian cricketer. So we have just 1 minute left. Hurry up. One minute is left. Hurry up. Do this work very neatly. Umar Farooq, do you want to ask something? Yes, unmute yourself, Umar. Yes, Umar. Yes, Ryan Shehzad. Do you want to ask something?
मैम अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। जी बेटा।
मैम नंबर 2 वाला क्वेश्चन निकालने मेरा तो
अच्छा ठीक है बेटा, मैं पिक्चर सेंड कर दूंगी आपको, आप वहाँ से देख कर लेना, ठीक है?
ऐसे वो वर्ड्स रहते हैं टर्न करें प्लीज।
ओके, ये देख ले चले। साथ क्या लाऊं?
थैंक यू।
Myra Gul, beta, stop laughing. Do your work. Okay, the time for this class is over. Do take care of yourself and enjoy the weather. Allah Hafiz.